Today, we're going to bring a solar light, not just any ordinary solar light. This is actually a 500-watt solar light. Uh, it's going to illuminate pretty much any area you want. This could run to almost 12 to 18 hours, depending on your charge. And this is pretty much what you get, including the dish, which is going to take the whole majority of the room here. That's why we didn't include the dish, but we're going to bring it up so we can set it up too, also too. So I just want you to let you guys know. I want to thank the sponsor to sending out the actual light. So just to let you guys know, they were kindly enough to send it for us for review. In the past, I actually evaluated and used these, and these are actually really good. I'm actually requesting more because we're gonna set multiple ones on the actual basketball court area, and we're gonna have these aluminum illuminating the entire basketball area. People that have farms or any of the locations, any warehouses that want some sort of security thing, these are actually pretty good too for lighting up any of those dark areas too. If you're out in the farms, out in the middle of nowhere that you don't have electricity running, these are actually really awesome too to set up. So we're going to take a look at some of the features in here. For I just want to show you that they give you the control, the actual tools, in the actual bar where you can actually mount this into. So one thing that's not included is that they don't give you the actual physical bar where you actually mount this bar to. So either you choose a wall or you could choose a bar to actually do. And I actually saw where people actually digged out a hole, cemented out, and they have a long pole that where they hang these up from there. So which is a really good thing, because once you set them up there, you really don't have to ever maintenance or any charging or anything like that. Now this is a little heavy. It's about almost 2 pounds, 2 or 3 pounds. It has its weight. So the control itself, if you guys can see the control itself, it's pretty simple to understand. There's an off and on button. There's hours that you can set up, and also you could turn off the sensor if you want, and you could lower down the illuminations too, the lumens. All right, if you guys can see, this is the actual solar panel, and it takes the majority of the space in here. These are really rugged. They could take any beating air, wind, sun, or rain. These continue to be very strong, very durable format of solar panels that you have out there. I actually have one for 2 years. It hasn't been dented. I've been through storm, rain, and shine, and it's still out there in the wind, in the weather, in the wind, in the rain, in the sun. I mean, these are really rugged and durable actual panels. So let's see the size of it. When you actually purchase this something, you're gonna need some real estate, and make sure that it's pointing to the direction of the sun, or the majority of the day that's gonna get some of the sun. Because without the light, you're not gonna get too much of the actual light or lumens throughout the whole day. So right now, this is actually around 26.5 inches by 17.5. So
Tú quieras, hijo.
Ok.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.